it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today we here with another upcoming artist. I featured this artist on the platform before. AceKey. G, big up yourself. Reach out and say your work. I'm gonna say, oh, you mean? So AceKey with DNA, guys. I'm gonna leave a link to this one in the description. So go ahead and click on it. Go over him channel. Make you know see I'm missing over there. You see it? Yeah, the full song I go over there. So if you don't like it, that's the way. If you don't like it. Alright, let's see if me I gonna like it. Let's go!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
As it start. Drill beat. Loud. Jordan fresh. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 style. Yeah.
Different blood in our jeans. DNA say we have to look clean. I know me and weather, but we are the money team.
Remember that. Man. Lift up, man.
Let's go!
Give forward, man. DNA so we have to look clean, brother. It's in our DNA, dog. Even if we don't want to do it, we know so we have to do it. Because what? It come natural to it in our DNA. Move from there. I know me with about it on the money team. And when we talk about money, and a Jamaican dollars we have spent, a pound. English pound. Let's go. Baba Shop the G there. Production ready, let's go.
Different blood in our jeans.
Yeah.
DNA say we have to look clean.
Yeah.
I know me and weather, but we are the money team. A simple dot forget a brand new machine.
Simple things.
And I be any I'm a weed. That a flow right through my bloodstream. Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean. And dirty bad mind, them can't run in. Cause man, I also feel the money. Movie star life, man, I shoot Steph Curry. Millionaire vision, so my mother not for worry.
Let's get that verse again.
That flow right through my bloodstream. Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean. And dirty bad mind, them can't run in.
Can't run in, block them out, firewall.
Man, I also feel the money. Movie star life, man, I shoot Steph Curry.
We are also for the money, brother. We are also for the money. You think so? We are also to figure that shit again? No, we are also to figure live that movie star life. Man, I shoot Steph Curry, but on a basketball we are play though. What go on?
Also for the money. Movie star life, man, I shoot Steph Curry.
What?
Millionaire vision, so my mother not for worry.
Moment, don't worry.
A-class and them boys still a study, and I use wine rum for just wash where the dopey. If they
Clad. Pour some liquor up on the ground. Wash it dopey. Yeah. What we in a A-class? What them boy there? They must study. They must study. Who they must study? We they must study. They must try study. We try study. We never graduate here.
Millionaire vision, so my mother not for worry.
Yeah.
In a A-class and them
boy,
boys
they
still a study, and I use wine rum for just wash where the dopey.
Yeah.
If them try this, just know every gonna rise up. Kill that them head sick now, no sense if you know them psycho. No shorty they in a the jump and ready fi bite you. Full of bass style and flow, so hold the fuck them size up.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
You go in!
Let's go!
Hold on, man! Don't rush it, man. Don't rush it. Oh, machine. You like this? We like this for the drill beat, dog. We're not telling the lie. We like this for the drill beat. Ready?
Different blood in our jeans.
Yeah.
DNA say we have to look clean.
Yeah.
I know me and weather, but we are the money team. A simple dot forget a brand new machine.
Simple things, man.
And I be any I'm a weed.
Yeah.
that a flow right through my bloodstream.
Yeah.
Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean. And dirty bad mind, them can't run in. Cause man, I also feel the money. Movie star life, man, I shoot Steph Curry. Millionaire vision, so my mother not for worry. In a A class, and them boys still a study. And I use one rum for just wash where the dopey. If them try this, just know every gun I rise up. Kill at them head sick, now no sense if you know them psycho. No shot, they in a the jump and ready fi bite you. Full of bass style and flow, so hold the fuck them size up. My jeans.
Full of flow and different. All of his size up with my talent. Pussy. Eh? On the deaf.
Full of bass style and flow, so hold the fuck them size up. My jeans. DNA say we have to look clean. I know me and weather, but we are the money team. A simple dot forget a brand new machine.
Yeah.
And I be any I'm a weed. That a flow right through my bloodstream. Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And dirty bad mind, them can't run in.
You know that.
Right now me get crab up, like a battery, the multiple charge up. If me can't bring me think that me not going to sing like Riley, you know, at the Taurus.
Hold on. So AceKey, why you... I wish gear that you got in there now. Can you come out of second gear now? I just skip third gear. So that means the time you say you're there a fourth. You pick up speed. You're speeding.
Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean. And dirty
Watch
bad
it.
mind, them
Watch
can't
out, man, at the
run
verse.
in.
Watch it. Ready?
Right now me get crab up,
Crab
like
up.
a battery, the multiple charge up. If me can't bring me think that me not going to sing like Riley, you know, at the Taurus, them a lock strap, but I like my nah fuck.
Bokla! Ease out. Ready again.
Right now me get crab up, like a battery, the multiple charge up. If me can't bring me think that me not going to sing like Riley, you know, at the Taurus, them a lock strap, but I like my nah fuck. Yeah, nah boss, gunshot make it ears them cock up. Girl give me the pussy, me don't talk much, me keep Victoria's Secret from a small box.
Y'all give me the puffy. Me can keep a secret like Victoria. Me can keep your secret. Me not gonna talky thing. Me not gonna tell my friends I'm a fucking. Give me the puffy. Yeah. More padlock up. No talk. Me keep it like a fridge. Yes, ma'am.
Gunshot make it ears them cock up.
Cock
Girl
up.
give me the pussy, me don't talk much, me keep Victoria's Secret from a small box. So me just live life, take flight, fuck girl and breeze past every red light.
Live life, take life, and fuck. Live life, take life. No. What I'm say? AceKey, what you say?
Yeah, nah boss, gunshot make it ears them cock up. Girl give me the pussy, me don't talk much, me keep Victoria's Secret from a small box. So me just live life, take flight, fuck girl and breeze past.
Live life, take flight, and fuck girl and breeze past.
Don't talk much, me keep Victoria's Secret from a small box. So me just live life, take flight, fuck girl and breeze past every red light. Hold them for stop my greatness, God they are right by my side. Shot out by blood and nature, me don't need to look no hype. Espaniola, Quattro, Cinco, feel them up with mine.
The man go Spanish.
Me don't need to look no hype. Espaniola, Quattro, Cinco, feel them up with mine.
Bad. Me enjoy this.
I know me and weather, but we are the money team. A simple dot forget a brand new machine. And I be any I'm a weed. That a flow right through my bloodstream. Full of beer vibes, and you know what I mean. And dirty bad mind, them can't run in.
Yo, me see the growth, bro. AceKey, me see the growth, bro. Me see the immense growth, bro. From the first song when me they react to, the first set of song that me they react to for you, bro. And to where they write us now, like, me can see the confident more in you right now. And I think you find your lane, bro. And I believe me said this to you before, say, do dancehall pan the trap beat, bro. Like, singing a patois on the trap beat. And me like it, bro. Cause like I said before, it's not a lot of UK artists that do that. You see me? I do the rap patois. So you give it the singing, you give it the DJ, and you give it a bit of Spanish, bro. So you have it, my friend. You have it. Yeah, this proper dog. Me like this, bro. Me like this. This bad, bro. This bad. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah, do it. Push that one, yeah. That one, yeah, can definitely go far. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this one without me stopping, without me commenting over it in the comment section. Please just give it a click. Go over there, drop a comment and say, yo, Jamaica game I send you. You see me? Yeah. AceKey, big up yourself, bro. Big up production team behind that one, bro. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.